Let's start. Today we will see the form in HTML. In the body tag, we have a form tag. Inside the form tag, we have a field set tag. This tag creates a frame around the form. Here we have a legend tag. This tag will give a title to the form frame. Here we have a label tag. This works as a simple label. Here we have a text type input box. Here we have 3 radio buttons. The name attribute of the radio buttons needs to be the same, so as to choose only one radio button at a time. Here we have 3 checkboxes. The select and option tags create a drop-down list. This is the text area. A text area can be expanded and contracted by dragging it. Here we have created a data list. Then we have a range type input that works like the slider. Then finally we have a submit type input, which is a submit button. The submit button won't work at this point because we have not written any JavaScript code for that. Let's run this code in the browser. So that's it. That's how you can implement a form in HTML. Thank you.